Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update your payment method on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Cash App and log into your account. Tap on the bank icon at bottom left corner to access your profile page. Here you will see details like your available balance and linked payment methods, including bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. To update a payment method, select the one you want to change. For example, tap on your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From here, you will see options to either replace or delete the payment method. If you want to add a new payment method, return to the same section and select Add Card. This allows you to replace your old payment method with a new one easily. So that's basically how you can update your payment method on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.